leave for work at 9 or 10 a.m. because there's speech. I go home again in the morning at 6 a.m.
Kalau misalnya
I
gue
work
masuk rumah sakit, kalian cuma GWS. Well, thank you.
Hiring people working in the capital city will often just many dreams and desires by working hard. The problem is some are even willing to sacrifice their sleep. Studies says that Indonesian people like 1.2 hours from the recommended amount of sleep needed to stay healthy. In this video, we talk with several young people from Jakarta about the sacrifices they have made to achieve their dreams.
Normalnya sih kalau di kantor gue tuh sampai jam 7, jam setengah 8 kalau gue pulang itu biasanya masih ada pekerjaan yang emang harus gue beresin sih karena kan tektokan tuh masih terus ada ya.
Kalau gue sih di unit pelayanan 24 jam, jadi gue masih kalau pagi itu 6:30 jam, siang juga 6:30 jam, berarti malam itu ya kira-kira 11 jam.
Gue di rumah itu benar-benar pulang karena tidur bangun pagi, paling kayak hi ma,
I'll say hi mom, bye.
5 atau 6 jam, sisanya mungkin 3-2 jam itu banyaknya meeting.
Berapa ya dulu mungkin?
How many hours?
Jam. Berangkat jam 4 pagi, selesainya jam 8 pagi, tapi besoknya 28 jam.
8 a.m. the next day, a 28 hours report.
Dari jam 7 pagi,
From 7 a.m. I work overtime until 2 a.m. but
tapi kalau ada
But
campaign,
if there's a
pasti tuh
campaign,
otomatis tuh
it's
bisa
gonna go
12
up to
jam,
12
mungkin lebih kali ya,
hours.
seharian.
Maybe even more because sleep all day.
Kalau menurutku waktu tidur
The day
yang
amount
ideal
of
per
sleep per
harinya
day
itu
is
kira-kira 2
about
sampai 3 jam
3
cukup lah.
hours, 2-3 hours is
Iya, kalau dapat tidur pun ya
in like
mostly
the
3
some
sampai 4 jam.
sleep is mostly
Tapi
only
mendingan
around
gak tidur
4
daripada
hours.
bablas.
But it's better not to sleep at all day.
Setiap hari tuh paling tidur cuma 5 jam,
Every day I
udah kayak
sleep for
normal gitu.
5 hours and that's feel
Di gue
normal.
yang pasti travel
My dream
dulu,
is
pengen lihat
traveling
banyak hal
all
di
around
luar
to
sana. Untuk
see
mengajar
many
itu ya
things out
pasti
there, teachers
butuh
there. I
danaan.
definitely needs fun, right?
Of course, I have a goals. Salah satunya tuh
One of
mungkin
the
cara nyata tuh
ways
adalah
is
kayak financial
probably
freedom.
financial
At least apa
freedom,
yang
at
gue
least
beli
what
gak
I
harus
buy doesn't
misalkan orang lain.
have to burden other people.
Kalau untuk mimpi
My
pribadi
personal
pengen
dream,
menang
I want to
award.
win awards.
Kayak kalau menurut gue sih
In my
kalau misalnya
opinion,
nggak tidur
I don't sleep
sekali 2
once
kali,
or twice.
necessary push aja
It's just
sih.
a necessary push
The
for the
struggle.
struggle.
Kalau menurut gue, you gain
In my
some, you lose
opinion, you
some
gain
sih.
some,
Lo
you
bisa
lose
dapat
some.
ilmu,
You
lo
can
bisa
gain
dapat
knowledge,
reward,
you can
tapi
gain
mungkin lo harus
reward.
kehilangan beberapa
But you
hal.
might
Mungkin salah satunya
have
kehilangan
to
jam
lose
tidur.
some things. Maybe one of them is sleep.
Gue sih nggak merasa
I
mengorbankan
don't
itu
feel
ya,
like
karena
I'm
maksudnya
sacrificing
kalau
because
dikorbankan berarti hilang nggak balik lagi.
sacrifice it
Tapi
means
kalau
it's
ini kan
gone
gue masih bisa tebus di
but
waktu
this
yang
I
lain.
can still make up for it another time.
Kalau ngomongin kesehatan agak panjang nih, soalnya aku udah pernah dioperasi 2 kali. Pernah ya satunya kunci, satunya kelenjar getah bening gitu. Semua gara-gara imunisasinya drop.
All of that was
Gue
because
muda capek tuh nggak terasa banget kan. Makin bertambahnya usia tuh makin
as I get older, I get tired more easily and sleepy more easily.
Kalau tuh cuma sekedar kayak
Something
demam,
just a fever, a high
panas, itu udah
temperature,
pasti sih. Tapi kalau sampai
would
kayak gue
definitely
harus
happen.
dirawat
But
itu
to the point of
sekali belum
being
pernah.
hospitalized like me, that's heaven at all.
Seminggu, 2 minggu
Everyone
sekali
or
tuh
2
gue
weeks,
pasti check
I
up dokter
definitely see a doctor
lambung.
for checkup
Terus
stomach.
habis itu
If
dibawa
I
ke rumah sakit,
can
endoskopi,
hospitalized,
kolesterol,
endoscopy,
hampir pingsan di
cholesterol,
ojek
almost
online.
100 and
True
online
story people.
motorcycle taxi.
Menurut gua di Jakarta yang fast-paced ini,
Fast-paced Jakarta,
work-life balance
work-life
tuh
balance
sangat
is
realistis
actually
sih menurut
very
gua. Karena
realistic.
kadang yang
Because
bikin lu
sometimes what
capek
makes you
juga
tired
bukan karena
isn't
kerjaan, mungkin
the
karena
work, it's probably
infrastrukturnya.
the
Waktu lu
infrastructure.
kerja kurang produktif
Your
karena udah
time
capek
is
di
less
jalan.
productive because you're already tired from the
Pasti yang paling dikorbanin adalah social life-nya, karena udah gak ada waktu sama sekali untuk hangout,
social
untuk
life.
quality time yang benar-benar
because there's
quality
obviously
time gitu.
no time at all to hang out, to have quality
Karena gue
time.
belum
That
berkeluarga, menurut gue work life balance gue tuh masih
Because
dapat,
I'm already
karena
out.
habis gue kerja
I can
biasanya gue
still
bisa hangout sama tim
work
gue,
life
kalaupun
balance.
misalnya teman-teman gue lagi
after
sibuk.
work, I can easily hang out with my team.
sekarang ya
when
banyak kurang
I was busy.
interaksi, jadi saya
Even-
merasa jauh sih ke teman-teman saya. Padahal sih sebenarnya saya kerja.
Because there's a lack of interaction, I feel distant from my
Buat
friends.
gue cukup realistis. Kalau bisa istirahat,
For me, it's
bisa
realistic
hangout,
enough.
bisa
If
kumpul
I
sama
can
keluarga
rest,
gue,
hang out
bisa
together
kerja
with
dengan
my
baik sih,
family
gue
and
udah
work
bisa
well,
gitu.
I can already do that.
Enggak sih, tapi
Tapi gue perhatiin sih
I
ada
noticed there
orang-orang
are some people who
kayaknya
lack
balance itu
some
Ben. Kalau
balance.
gue yang ngalamin dan
But
gue
from my
ngeliat
own
sendiri,
experience,
agak
it
mustahil ya.
seems kind of impossible.
Kalau buat gue pribadi, karena
And
dengan
personally,
berbagai
with
kegiatan
all
yang
the
gue lakukan,
activities I
kurang
do
sebenarnya.
24 hours just
24 jam nggak cukup.
24 jam itu
24
nggak
hours is
cukup,
not enough.
butuhnya
I could need
35.
35 hours.
Cukup kadang ya. 80
Sometimes
jam
you know,
kali ya.
sometimes
48 jam itu udah
maybe
minimal gitu.
80
Tolong
hours.
Tuhan, tambahkan jam.
8 hours is the bare minimum.
Tidur.
Sleep.
Unjuk rasa untuk
All the
balikin
protest to get
24
back
jam.
24
1 jam
hours.
tuh capek.
Even 1 hour is tiring.
Tidur sih.
Sleep.
Tidur sambil
Sleep while doing laundry.
tidur.
Me time
Sleep.
atau quality
Me
time
time or
antara dua
quality
itu.
time.
Maunya justru ngelakuin hal yang
All
kita
I want is
suka.
to do
Seenggaknya
enjoy
main game lah.
at
Mau
least
nggak
twice a
ngelakuin
month.
apa-apa, bengong aja.
Antara tidur atau main game.
Between
Tidur kayaknya.
sleep or some plays game, sleep.